Hi, in this video, I will show you how to fix NVIDIA FPS drops and performance issues. So, these fixes will work for your games like Valorant, GTA 5, Fortnite, Apex and every other title. Just follow each step one by one. Step 1 is updating your NVIDIA drivers. So, simply go to the search bar and search for NVIDIA Control Panel. Click on it and this will open up the NVIDIA Control Panel. Now, if it doesn't open, update using GeForce Experience instead. Now, after it gets opened, adjust image settings with preview and it will show up this page. Here, you can choose whether you want performance or quality. So, here you'll have to choose let 3D application decide. After you do this, you'll have to make sure it gets saved, and if you have done different settings, simply click restore defaults and this will instantly make sure that defaults are restored and your performance gets better. You can also click on manage 3D settings and make sure choose auto select and choose high performance NVIDIA processor. Or what you can also do is select auto select and this will help NVIDIA choose the preferred graphics processor. And also you can click on restore icon just right here. This will restore the settings for this global preset back to the default value that was set when the software was first installed on a PC. After you do these changes, you can move to step 2, that is setting up your NVIDIA GPU to maximum performance. So while in the NVIDIA control panel, you can simply navigate to manage 3D settings, that is this page, and here choose power management mode, that is this one, to prefer maximum performance. After you select this prefer maximum performance, it will help the processor get the max performance for power. After choosing that, you can choose low latency mode. So search for low latency mode right here, that is this one, and turn this on. So double click and turn this to ultra. Make sure this is not turned off. After you do this, you can choose texture filtering quality. So search for texture filtering quality. Now click on quality and choose high performance. After choosing high performance, search for threaded optimization. That is this one. Double click it and choose auto. Now choose on. Now, after you apply all these settings, this will force your GPU to run at full performance while gaming. Now, step 3 is disabling background apps. So press Ctrl Shift and Escape on your keyboard to open the task manager. Go to the processes tab and simply close apps that use CPU. Simply like Microsoft Edge, right click, click End Task. Choose Trello, right click, click End Task. You can disable all the apps that use a lot of processor and memory, like Discord screen share, Chrome, recording apps, updaters, Xbox Game Bar, and this will free up RAM and reduces FPS drops caused by background load. Now, you can check for GPU temperature. So press Windows plus G on your keyboard to open the performance monitor, and here, if your GPU is above 85 degrees Celsius, FPS will drop automatically. So fix it by cleaning your fans, lowering graphics settings, improving airflow on your PC, and using MSI Afterburner to increase fan speed. Also, what you can do is make sure that you move to a room that is air ventilated and cool, because in hot summers, usually rooms get hotter and the laptops don't get enough air for cooling. Now, step 5 is turning off Windows game mode feature. So navigate to settings, choose gaming, and here choose game mode. Now, make sure that this is turned on. Then open graphics setting. So search for graphics settings, choose advanced graphics settings, and make sure that these are turned on. Also, make sure that the optimizations for windowed games are also turned on. After you do all these settings, you can lower the in-game graphics settings. So inside your game, adjust the VSync to off, anti-aliasing to low or off, motion blur to off, and shadows to low, and make sure you're playing in full screen, not windowed. This will give the biggest FPS improvement instantly. And that's how you fix FPS drops and performance issues on any NVIDIA GPU. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.